Why is it that some people feel instantly calmer the moment they start straightening things up, while others feel stressed just glancing at a cluttered space? Surprisingly, both reactions come from the same system in the brain. And the explanation might surprise you. Enjoying organization isn't really about tidiness, it's about control. When life feels uncertain, your mind searches for something stable. Arranging your surroundings becomes a way to restore order on the outside when everything feels unsettled inside. Had a rough day, suddenly sorting a drawer feels calming. It's not random, it's your brain trying to steady you. Science supports this. Each time you complete a small chore, making the bed, wiping a table, your brain gives you a dopamine boost, that little well-done spark. And a neat environment can reduce cortisol, your stress chemical. That lighter mood after cleaning, that's biology at work, but there's more beneath the surface. Your subconscious reads your environment as a safety cue. But there's more beneath the surface. Your subconscious reads your environment as a safety cue. Mess signals unfinished tasks all day long. For sensitive people, that whisper becomes noise. So they don't tidy to impress, they tidy to feel secure and quiet inside. For others, organizing is creativity. The home becomes a canvas. The way books are stacked, plants arranged, or furniture placed, it's art through space. And for many, the rhythm of sweeping or sorting feels like meditation. It grounds them without needing to sit still. Here's the emotional layer. Organizing is often about release. Every item you let go, old clothes, broken devices, unused gifts, is a small way of saying, I don't need this part of me anymore. That's why decluttering can feel heavy or even emotional. You're rewriting your inner story through your belongings. Your environment mirrors your mind. A clear space whispers you're capable. A messy one whispers you're overloaded. Cleaning becomes a way to shift that inner dialogue. Changing the outside to change the inside. Because organizing isn't really about objects, it's about decisions. This matters, this stays, this goes. Every shelf reflects how you want to feel: calm, intentional, steady. So next time you notice yourself feeling better after tidying, don't dismiss it. That's self-care happening in real time. Body, mind, and spirit aligning. Peace isn't something you stumble upon, it's something you build, one small action at a time. Do you relate to this? Share your thoughts below on what organizing does for you. And don't forget to subscribe. We break down everyday habits and uncover the psychology behind them.